YKYI sent us this 8-in-1 electric spin brush for our review, and I am so excited because my spin brush just stopped working. It's like they knew I needed a new one. I love spin brushes. If you have never used a spin brush, you are truly missing out. There is no more getting on your hands and knees and scrubbing that bathroom. It, of course, is not just for the bathroom, but that is my absolute favorite place, I should say, to be using a spin brush. My husband loves to use these on the car tires as well. So I usually give him one of the brushes, and it's usually this big one right here because honestly, it is pretty big and it doesn't matter to me. And he will take this one and he will use this on our tires, whereas I will keep all the other pieces for my cleaning. So yeah, let's check it out. Oh yeah, here's this one as well. So basically what it is this is the head here. Man, there's just so many pieces. I'm just like overwhelmed. This is exciting. Okay, let's check out. We've got the head here. I don't know if it's going to be charged. As you can see, I'm literally just opening it up. So I'm assuming so it comes with like a little piece that you can stick on the wall and then you can hang it up, which I think is really great. I usually, after I use one, let it hang in my shower so it drip dries, and then after I just kind of pop it in my closet. So I'm assuming this just kind of screws here into place. So far so good. And then yeah, that comes off. As you can see, I'm no stranger to spin brushes. I know what I'm doing. It probably needs to be charged.
Power ready.
Oh.
Press M to start.
Okay, so it says power ready. Please press M to start. Oh, you know what? I should ah! Okay, so there's 3 different levels here. So let's just go ahead and put this on. I love ones like this. So of course you have all the wonderful brushes here with all the bristles. Then of course you've got all the little pads as well, and they get stuck on with this guy here. So how does that work? That just pops on, and check this out. It just goes right on there. And then of course it's removable. You can wash these. One like this you wouldn't be able to wash. So over time you'll have to get some replacements of these ones. But ones like these, I mean, eventually you can get replacements, but because these can be washed. So let's go ahead. So basically really easy to use. You've just got your power button, and then this is like your mode. And so you have 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, 3. Look at that spin, baby. Oh, I'm so excited. As you can see, my poor spin brush. And I'm just wondering, is this adjustable? It probably, oh, here, right here. Look at that. And then now you can get all those like really hard to reach places. This is so fantastic. If you do not have a spin brush, honestly, highly recommend.